Testing your smoke alarms is an important task as a homeowner, and it's relatively easy to do. It is recommended to change your batteries every 6 months. If a battery is dying, all your smoke detectors will begin chirping, indicating it is time to switch the batteries around the house. To change the batteries, you will want to first locate each of your smoke detectors. Typically, any room with a door will have a detector in it. If needed, use a small ladder or step stool to help you reach the smoke detector. Open the cartridge that holds the battery and remove the old one. When you insert the new battery, make sure to align the positive and negative terminals. Once the new battery is installed, press the test button to ensure the smoke alarm is functioning properly. The test alarm will last approximately 5 seconds and will trigger each alarm in your home as they are hardwired together.